ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was than here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, we're looking for buy. This is what we get. And the best things to look for trade was to look for trade setup based on 15 minutes. We had the opportunity to look for buy and even from here. All right. And whoever get the trade for buy from here, in terms of the risk and reward, they get a really good trade. And if I move to 1 hour chart, even based on 1 hour chart, we had the opportunity to look for buy from here. And for those traders, they get a trade for buy from here, move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. And here, whoever get the trade within this one, based on 15 minutes, they can book some profit. All right. Now we want to see what's the next. We start with daily chart, and based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. We discussed how we can look at the chart in my last analysis. And we mentioned the best things is if the price could reverse from here, we do the breakout of this one. That's mean we're looking for this one as a flat, and this is what I'm looking for. But we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we see the reversal. That's mean, but just to make it very simple, we're looking for buy as a long term. And the targets with the breakout of the all-time high we can look for is 5.5 following by 7K. And based on daily chart at this point, we don't have any opportunity for buy. We don't have any trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, forward chart, at first we have been looking for this one as a flat, as a 1-2 correction for the third week. This is what we get. And right now it turns to corrective. If the price couldn't break the top of the previous top, which is this one, then we can expect this one turn to internal flat as a 1-2 for next drop. This one turn to a more complex correction before we see the next reversal. All right. That means the possibility for the next drop is very high, because we need to see with the breakout of the desktop, we need to see the breakout of 4120. All right, because if the price could break this top, then we can expect for continuation. Then from there we can look for 4430 following by 4670. Right, but at this point we need to be really careful. If we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the deeper correction before we take the next trade. And buying at this point is quite risky, since we don't see proper trade setup based on forward chart and even based on 1 hour chart. All right, and whenever we see this kind of the corrective move, if this one turn to extension, we can expect to see the one more drop. That's why if it wants to look for buy, we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. And at this point, we don't see any trade setup for buy, and buying as long as the price haven't break the previous top, which is this one, buying at this range is really risky. And the only update is for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this range, either move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.